My family lives in Melbourne. There are 6 people in my family. My mother and father live in a large house. The house has 4 bedrooms and a big backyard. There are flowers in the front yard. My older brother, Alan, is married with 2 children. My younger brother, Bill, and my sister, Sue, live at home. My father works in an office in Belmore. He is a manager. My mother works at home and looks after the house. I am very lucky to have a wonderful family. Every day I get up at 6:30. First, I go to the kitchen and have a cup of tea and toast for breakfast. Then I go to the bathroom and clean my teeth. After that, I get dressed and brush my hair. At 7:30, I go to work. I take the bus to Cabramatta. It is a long way from home. I arrive at work at 7:50. At 12 o'clock, I have lunch, and at 4 o'clock, I go home. At 7 o'clock, I have dinner with my family, and then we watch TV. At 11:15, I go to bed. Last year, Mr. and Mrs. Bentley took a trip to Singapore. They went to visit some friends and to do some shopping. The flight to Singapore was very pleasant. They arrived at 11 in the morning, and their friends met them at the airport. They were very happy to see each other. After the Bentleys got their luggage, their friends took them back to their place. They talked and laughed all afternoon and had a lovely dinner together that evening. The next few days, the Bentleys went sightseeing and shopping, as well as spending time with their friends. Soon they had to fly home. They were sad to leave their friends. However, they had a wonderful time in Singapore.